You're trying to set up a direct deposit, link your Koho to another financial app, or maybe you're just plain curious. Whatever the reason, you're staring at a blank field that desperately needs your Koho account number. But where on earth is it? Don't worry, you're not alone. Thousands of people ask this question every day. So, let's dive in and find that elusive number together. First things first, Koho isn't a traditional bank. It's a financial technology company that offers a prepaid card and a mobile app. This means some things work differently compared to your regular bank. And finding your account number is one of those things. You might be tempted to look for it in the app like you would with a regular bank. But here's the thing, Koho doesn't actually display your account number in the traditional sense. Why? Well, that's a question for Koho's product team, but for us, it means we need to think outside the box. The key to finding your Koho account number lies in understanding what it's used for. Primarily, it's needed for direct deposit or linking your account to other financial services. So, let's focus on those areas. Finding your Koho account number for direct deposit. If you're trying to set up a direct deposit to your Koho account, you'll actually need more than just the account number. You'll also need the transit number and institution number. Log into your Koho account through your web browser. Navigate to the Add Funds section. Look for the option to set up direct deposit. Here, you'll find all the necessary information, including your account number, transit number, and institution number. Finding your Koho account number for linking to other services. If you're trying to link your Koho account to another financial app or service, you might encounter some challenges. Some apps or services might recognize Koho as a financial institution and allow you to connect directly. However, others might require a more traditional account number format. In such cases, you might need to use a workaround. One option is to try using your Koho card number as the account number. It might work in some cases, but there is no guarantee. Another option is to look for a virtual account number. Some financial institutions offer virtual account numbers for linking purposes. While Koho doesn't explicitly advertise this feature, it's worth checking if they offer something similar. Important note: Koho is constantly evolving. Features and processes can change over time. If you're facing difficulties, don't hesitate to contact Koho's customer support. They're there to help. So, there you have it. Finding your Koho account number might not be as straightforward as with a traditional bank, but with a little know-how, you can usually find what you need. Remember, understanding why you need the account number is the first step to solving the puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.